Hello, thank you for coming here. Let me show you something that happened today when I was about to mount the front door of this mechanism from Pioneer, which is used in the CT-939 and the other top-end Pioneer decks, cassette decks. And as you see, the rubbers are changed. I'm gonna show you at the bottom. Also the tire, capstan tire was changed also, and also the rollers here, the left one and the right one, all of them were changed. And was about to mount the front door, as I said, and noticed that those pieces there that are mounted on this frame, they are fixed in place with those little pins. But, and this I can assure you that this is the first time this deck is intervened, there was some traces of the original thing they used to lubricate the hinge of the small pieces, and it became green, as you see here. Already cleaned the pins with cotton and metal and isopropylic alcohol. But I'm going to show you with the magnifying glass. The plastic has been attacked by that kind of green grease. Even after cleaning, you can see that the plastic became greenish all around. And also it lost strength. So unfortunately, those pieces were very, very hard, blocked by the grease, by the green grease, which was dry. And at the minimum touch, they cracked. So now we have another nightmare to solve. We have to replace these. So be warned that this might happen on your next intervention. And good luck. Cheers.